Hi, and welcome to our HTML Beginner's Guide to HTML. My name is Lawrence, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with many years of web development experience, and in this course, I'm going to be introducing you to HTML, which is at the very core, the very heart of any web project. Websites, they all need HTML, and this is the starting place in order to get online and start creating web pages, websites, and web applications. We're going to need to have a browser in order to get started with the code, because the browser is what interprets the HTML and displays it to the users. You also need an editor. So this number of different editors are available online, as well as you might have one already on your computer. So you're welcome to use that one or use the one that we're going to be using in the course, which is Brackets. There's also some great resources online to write HTML code, covering some of the basic resources where you can go to for additional help and information. I'm always happy to help within the Q&A section of the course to provide additional guidance and information, clarification on any of the topics covered in the upcoming lessons. I do also suggest that you try the code out for yourself. Source code is included so that you can try the code out for yourself, see what it does, get comfortable with it, get familiar with it. There's also a handy resource guide that is also included in a PDF format, provide you some additional links and resources, as well as source code so you can try it out following along with the lessons of this course. We're going to be covering all of the basics, what an element is, how it works, and how you too can write HTML code, adding in different attributes, as well as updating and structuring your content in order to produce a final website, which is the project that we're working on throughout the lessons. And upon completing this course, you're going to have the basic knowledge to create your own website. So I know you're excited to get started. So let's dive right in, start writing HTML code, creating some web pages.